Welcome back, guys. Today we will take care of our day 5, the final day of completing our modifying a document. So, if you would please, let's first open up your file from yesterday. If you would, you're going to need to go to My Drive again, and you can find it typically here in Recent, and you can see my modifying a document, or maybe up here in My Drive. Once you have it open, it'll look something like this. You see. So far, I have my name heading right aligned. You can see my title is center aligned. And then my second and third just my first and second paragraphs are both left aligned. You'll also see that I have 3 internet safety tips, and they are each have a different color. So let's take a look at what we're going to complete here for today. First thing, as you can see, says insert a computer-related clip art of your choice. Okay, so we can come up here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Insert tab. I'm going to come down to Image. And I'm going to search the web for an image for again, a computer-related image here. So let's just say maybe I want a laptop or an iPad or even a cell phone. I'm just going to type in laptop. There we go. This one looks great for me, so I'm going to double click on it. No, excuse me. Click on it one time. You'll notice that it is selected, and then I can just click Insert. And there's my image. Now, obviously, it's a little big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it one time to make it active. As you can see, it is active. It has these little squares in each corner. And I'm going to click on one of the corners, and I'm going to drag it towards the center. It doesn't matter which corner you choose, but if you click on a corner, it'll keep it symmetrical, meaning that it'll stay the same size on all sides. There you go. Now that I have my image to the size I'd like, again, make sure that it is active. This is an active image. This is an inactive image. This is active. So we want to now click on Wrap Text. This will allow me to drag my image around the document as needed. And as you'll probably recall from our directions, it says text wrap your clip art and drag it into the text of the second paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to click it. I'm going to drag this image up here to my second paragraph, which is right here. Doesn't really matter where you place it, but somewhere in that second paragraph. So now what you should notice is that your text comes around the image. Okay, that is step 2 completed. Step 3 is the spell check. Correct any misspelled words. Add Mr. Desor to the spelling dictionary if needed, meaning if it is coming up as a misspelled word, you could just add it to the dictionary. Now, most of you guys probably have corrected your mistakes as you went along, but if you see any red underlined words, that means something is misspelled. I'll show you what it might look like. I'm going to remove the letter U in here, and you'll see that this is indicating now that it is a misspelled word. If you right-click on that word, you could see the recommended spelling, and then you could click on it. As for Mr. Desor, let's say if it was spelled wrong up here, and most times it's not picking it up in the dictionary, so you may have to add it to the dictionary. Whenever adding a misspelled word, let's see if I can get it misspelled. It's coming up here on mine, but if you ever need to add a misspelled word, let me show it on something like this. If it was a misspelled word, you could always add it to the dictionary. Okay, there we go, fix that. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit to finish up direction number 3. Again, spell checking your words. And lastly, as you can see, it says share your document with Mr. Desor for a grade. Okay, so let's take a look here at our share button up here in the top right corner. We're going to select share. And then you can add my email address, as you can see. And you start typing in DDIS, and you'll see that my name comes up right here. It's Dave DeSora at qcsb.org. Okay, again, Dave DeSora at qcsd.org. Okay, now you select that, you can add a note, and you can just type in modifying a document. There you go. When you're done, you can just hit send, and I will then receive a copy of your modifying a document, and I can give you a grade for it. I hope this helps. Um, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know, and I will definitely be available to help you. Okay, guys, take care, and good luck.